Okay, I'm back on YouTube. I haven't done a YouTube video in a really long time, but I'm gonna show you my new animals. Oh, there's my name's Cat, Peanut. Hello. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my new one last. So we had to switch the cages because we put the animal in that cage. I already know where he is, but you can't see him. Okay. Here's the frogs. I don't know where the third one is, but here's one right here. You can kind of see it in the corner. And that one's still sitting on the tree. And here's my bullfrog Trevor. It's right back there. It's kind of hard to see. Sorry, that's blurry. But he's right back there. There's a Peanut. And we actually got 3 animals. So, we got 2 for Carolyn. So I'll show you those first. And here's Michael. And this is her cage. She's like a double hammock right here. She likes that. And then this log to bask on. Okay. Now time to go see the other animals. Hi. Okay. Here's one right here. It's a rat. And there's another one in here. Just right up there. His name is Oscar, right there. And that one, his name is Tobias. We call him Toby for short. And this is their cage. We stacked like 3 on top of each other. So that's one. Then that. And this is a rabbit cage. So we just use it for him. Okay. Oh my god.
Well, I just
go upstairs. Come on.
I got rid of it just because it wasn't working. So I had it downloaded.
I bet you're gonna hold them.
I uninstalled it.
He's a crested gecko. So, yeah. I got him at Bend at a reptile zone. They're awesome. So if you ever visit Bend, or if you're in Bend right now, or do you live there, like if you live there, you can go visit there if you haven't. They're awesome. That's him. There's a cricket right there. And there's Bernie. His name's Bernie. I haven't said that already. That's his name. He likes to hide behind there, and this is actually a real plant. Doesn't really look that fake in the camera. And it looks really, really fake in real life. But it's actually real. That's all for the video, and please like and subscribe and turn post notifications on. There's Peanut. Bye. Peanut says bye too.